And today we are going to fix up this old first gen that you saw in the last video. So I got this out in the woods from a guy. The video didn't do so well, but today we're going to make a comeback. We're going to put this on fuel forces, or forces, I don't know how you call them, but they're like massive rims and whatnot with skinny tires. We're also going to put a stack in the back. We're also going to lift it up and turn it into a diesel. Now, if y'all want any suggestions for new videos, let me know in the comments down below. I will be dropping new videos here shortly, but so today we're just going to fix this up. Also, if you don't recognize this, this is my tow rig. It is my my GMC Sierra 3500. So today we're just going to fix this up. So we're going to go down to the local shop, get it fixed up, get it worked on, get it like a new paint job, and get it all worked on. Yes, this is going to be a full video of me fixing this one truck. If y'all want to see new content, let me know. Leave a like down below. Subscribe to the channel. If we can at least reach 10 subscribers by the end of this week, I will drop my next videos early. So let's get started. Okay, first I need to fill up on gas. Okay. Oh, is it raining? I can't tell. Well, anyway, let's hop back in my truck. It's already filled up. So I think the shop's down here. Yeah, here it is. Benny's, I think. So I'm gonna drop off my truck here. And I'm going to let him do all the work. I'll fix this real quick. Okay. Oh. Let's jackknife it up. Okay, we'll check out the truck when it gets done. for now, I'm gonna go get some food, so. And I think I just went down the wrong road, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so we've dropped off my truck at Benny's, so he's gonna get that fixed. Well, I'm gonna go down here and get some food, and we'll see the results when I get home. I'm pretty sure he works his magic really quickly, so we'll see what the truck looks like. Okay, so Jared left his truck with me, so I'm gonna show him how I work my magic. Alright. Well, it's an old beater, for sure. Okay, let's grind off that. Okay, so doesn't look that bad under it. Okay, so let's get this brown color off of it. Make it look a little better. So I think he said he wanted it in like a kind of turquoise blue, I think. Or no, he said dark green, didn't he? I forgot. Let's just put a dark green for aesthetics. I think he also wanted it... No, I think he wanted... Yeah, he wanted a blue. But more light-ish. And he did want window tints, so we're just gonna tint those windows out. Okay. Then rims. So he wants like a more deep dish rim. So we're gonna do that for him. So then put those on for him. I don't know. Yeah, let's do bead locks. Cause I know he likes his bead locks. Tires. I think he said he does want a pavement princess. But he also wants it to also have a little bit of grip. So I think the perfect tire wouldn't be like, yeah, like those kind of tires. Do not put wording on them. Okay, so then horns. He also said he wanted a train horn in the body. So he said he does not want fender flares. So I'm not going to put fender flares. Bumper, however, doesn't want to take the front bumper off. He wants to leave the chrome on. Does not want to change the bed. So I think he said, oh, well, let's figure out. So I think he wants it lifted as well. So we're going to add more modern side steps. He wants a light bar on it. Does not want a snorkel because it's not going to take it anywhere. He does want a spare tire. Didn't want a windshield cover. Did want that. Didn't want a winch because it's not going to take it outlandish, but he does want it to make it look outlandish. He also wanted a stack in the back, I think. Yeah, I want a stack. Then he wanted bright lights, a gun rack, and then a toolbox. But then that would, well then I guess he's gonna have a toolbox. And then he also didn't want tow mirrors. Then he wanted an antenna as well, but more on the back, I think. No, he wanted it on the front. So we're gonna put it on the front for him. I'm gonna make it long. It's just gonna be more of a normal antenna. They want it to have bright lights. Didn't want a flag on it. I think that's it. Oh, and then axle color. He just wanted it painted white. I don't think there's anything else. I think he wanted an underglow, but I don't think I can do that right now. Suspension. I think he didn't want an I-beam. No, he did want an I-beam. Yeah, so I-beam. And then solid axle. And we're going to tune the suspension out on the rear and the wheels. So we're not going to make the width a lot. Damping, I don't think we're going to do that. Shocks, however, I think we'll go 1, and then shock size. We don't need massive ones, but we do kind of need some big ones. Stiffness, I think he just he wanted stiffness, or not a lot, but. Okay, so then axle type. For the rear brake type, we'll do that, and then for stiffness, not a lot. He doesn't want to make it squatted, but he does want to make it lifted at least. Shock size. Wanted the trophy truck, and then the damping, wanted it. And then axle width, he doesn't want it like too crazy, just as long as it's aligned with the body. So then boom. Okay, that's sort of aligned. We just gotta do the front like the rear. So then move it a slight more. And okay, so now we got that done. Then we need to do the width, which I think. Okay, then rim size. Let's do some massive rims. Yeah, I don't think the beadlocks look good. Let's do rims, beadlock. I think those are more meant for like, not like the goofy kind, but like more. Okay, then. I mean, if we do that, then that makes a more deep dish, but we're going to try and keep it normal. Okay, and then after that, I think we're done. We just got to convert it from gas to diesel. Make it a turbo diesel. Upgrade the engine. Okay, so then I think we're done. Oh yeah, gotta customize it a little bit. So stripes. So since we're making a kind of half. Yeah, there we go. That's a good looking truck right there, if I've ever seen one. There we go. Now I just think if we can do lights. We can't make it like a bright chrome. No, I don't think we can do anything else. Alrighty, I guess let's wait for him at the shop. If you're wondering what the truck looked like, this is what the Dodge looks like. My phone didn't have enough storage, so I couldn't record the whole thing, but this is the new and improved Dodge. See, since I didn't have enough time, well, since I ran out of storage, I'm just going to show you what it looks like. I pretty much put light bar, antenna, a jack lift, I think a light bar, toolbox, tire, an exhaust, and pretty much that's it. And the cosmetics, like the rims, the tires, the lights. So I'd appreciate it if you left a like, a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.